In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Scrum project quickly using Jira. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to agile methodologies, setting up a Scrum project efficiently is essential to keep your team organized and on track. Let's dive right into it. First things first, navigate over to the projects section, which you'll find in the left navigation bar of your Jira dashboard. This section is your gateway to managing all your existing projects or creating new ones. Once you're there, you're going to look for the option that says Create Project. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a screen with various project templates. Now, your goal is to choose the Scrum template from these options. The Scrum template is tailored to facilitate agile project management, specifically focusing on iterative development processes, which makes it perfect for most development teams. After highlighting the Scrum template, what you need to do is click on Use this template. This action will set the foundation of your project, making sure that all the necessary features for Scrum management are available to you. The next decision you'll make is regarding the type of project, team managed or company managed. If your team prefers autonomy and wants to customize processes without interference, go for the team managed option. On the other hand, if your project will be overseen by Jira admins, select company managed. This choice will influence how the project settings and permissions are handled, so choose the one that best suits your team's working style. Now it's time to give your project an identity. Enter a name that clearly defines the nature of the project and create a project key, which usually consists of a few letters representing your project. Additionally, set the access level to determine who can view or contribute to your project. This ensures that only the right members have access, maintaining project confidentiality and focus. After setting these parameters, click Next to proceed. At this stage, Jira gives you the option to add team members. You can invite collaborators who are essential for the project right away, or you can choose to skip this step and add them later. This flexibility is handy, especially when you're still in the planning phase. You'll be relieved to know that your Scrum project is almost ready to go. You'll now find yourself with an empty backlog, often called the product backlog, which serves as the central repository where you can start adding user stories, tasks, and any other issues that need attention. You can manage sprints, track task progress on the Scrum board, and importantly, review the work during sprint retrospectives. This dynamic workflow enables continuous improvement and adjustment, ensuring your project stays on course. And that's it. You've now set up a Scrum project in Jira, equipped with all the vital tools to launch your project successfully. Enjoy the enhanced collaboration and efficiency that comes with an organized Scrum framework.